The person who has brainwashed black women to wear other people's hair has done a great job. Fellas, can we all agree? If you're not gay, I know for a fact, it doesn't matter your pigmentation. This is beautiful. This is a beautiful hairstyle for a lady to wear. This is wonderful. Natural hair. I don't care if you're green, white, or purple. As men, we can all agree this is a beautiful hairstyle. Okay, now compared to this, uh,
Yo, can I give a tip to the girls here, man? I'm only telling y'all this because I'm just gonna be 1,000. Bro, stop wearing wigs, man. Colored wigs, man. Wear your natural hair, ladies. And get in the gym.
I wear wigs regardless because I don't like people touching my hair. Like y'all touching too much. If you want me to be real,
no one said, do you like people touching your hair? That wasn't the question. Matter of fact, he made a statement. Can you guys stop wearing fake hair? The sickness, the mentality, like going outside of your house. You are an adult with someone else's hair and you're going to pretend like it's your hair. That's not your hair. We all know that's not your original hair. There's sickness within you. This is self-hatred. Like whoever convinced black women to do this is evil. You are saying your original hair is not enough. This is an insecurity. And I guess a lot of people are making money from this, but this needs to be called out, man. This is just ridiculous. This is nasty. This is rusty. This is musty.
I have a lot of hair under this. That's what I'm saying. I got. First of all, I want my real hair. Firstly, I want my real hair for my birthday.
Guys,
keep it a bean. I want my real hair for my birthday.
I need you to be quiet for 2 seconds. All right, Storm. I need 30 seconds.
They like arguing so much to the point where they will try to even argue with reality by wearing other people's hair, pretending like it's theirs. Listen. You need to be like, you ladies need to be humble and start learning. Don't take everything as like we putting you down or we hating on you. Myron on this video, he's speaking from the place of love. He's speaking for men. Like, we don't love this at all. This is disgusting. Imagine like you are an adult. I don't think even kids do this anymore. You are an adult, you're going to wear someone else's hair and pretend, oh, this is my original hair. You're going to go outside and pretend your hair looks like this. So you want to be white so much to the point where you wear their hair. That's self-hatred. This is not natural. They are not born with these beliefs. They adopted these beliefs as they grew old, as they grow up. They think their original hair, it's not beautiful, it's not cute. They think this is cute. And they won't admit that as much as they like to use the word insecure. This is insecurity.
When you wear wigs of strange colors, you're going to attract strange men that don't know the color of green. That's what's going to happen. You're going to attract lower socioeconomic individuals that tend to be prone to crime. It is what it is.
Even black, like, so
Hold up.
I can wear a black wig, but I can't wear a red wig.
No, wear your hair. Wear your natural hair.
Like,
No.
just,
Wigs in general.
Wear your natural hair, ladies.
Yeah.
Please.
Wear our natural hair. Y'all don't that hair on
Okay.
your head. Y'all ain't
Y'all
natural.
don't understand,
It's too much
like,
to maintain.
y'all not a black woman to understand our
To the
issues and problems
maintenance.
that we go through. Like,
Exactly.
first of all,
That's too much to maintain. Now, your hair as a lady is a representation of what you are, like how clean you are. Okay, that's why she said, "Oh, it's too much to maintain," which means you're musty, you're dusty, you're not clean. Your hair, your own hair, like it's like saying, "Oh, brushing my teeth is too much for me." That's part of you. That's part of showing love to yourself by taking care of yourself. It shows that you love yourself. Therefore, you are lovable. If you love yourself, you become lovable to other people. How are you going to expect people to love you if you hate yourself? Deep down, you hate how your hair looks. This is why you're putting a cover on top of it. This is why you want to hide it. Your original hair, you hide it. This is self-hatred to the extreme.
No hair on your head.
it's hard.
Genuine advice.
Yeah, it's genuine advice,
You
but at
not
the same
there,
time,
Mom.
it's an opinion
He
at
up
the
here
end of
that
the
way.
day.
He's actually being nice to y'all.
How about you have our hair?
He being nice to y'all.
Can we go to the next question? I really enjoy my time though.
Black women are the only race who wear other people's hair. Indians, they rock their natural hair. Whites, they rock their natural hair. They don't have any issue with how God created them. They just rock it. And they look beautiful. They are wonderful. It's just, it's admirable. It's a sense of standard. It shows, like, your hair tells a lot as a lady. If you can't take care of your own hair, that says a lot about the person that you are, your character. It speaks to your character. So as men, we look at your hair and you're not even able to maintain that. Keep it clean. Fellas, this is beautiful. This is beautiful. This is all that we are asking for. Can we get this, black women? This is all what we want. This. Simple. You don't have to complicate things. You can just, every once in a while, probably like you skip a week or two, like change your hairstyle just like this. It's not even that expensive. Like, what's keeping you ladies from this? Bruv, this slaps. My lady rocks this all the time. Not the same like design or whatever, but she is always rocking cornrows, natural hair, none of that extra nonsense. This is beautiful. As men, can we all agree in the comment section below? Can we make this message known? I mean, we are tired of the baquishes with the purple hairs and all that extra. It's just, it's too much. It's too much. Like, then you put your hands on their head. Bruv, I don't even want to go there. But like, it's just, it's musty. Can we keep clean? Can we keep things clean and nice and precise? Wear your natural hair and you're going to attract a lot of men. A lot of men. I promise you, ladies, if you do this hairstyle, man, get out of here. Like, comment, subscribe. You already know what to do, man. All that YouTubey stuff. Dislike if you didn't like the video. I'm out.